Pancreatic juice contains digestive enzyme amylase for carbohydrate, lipase, and trypsin for protein. Intestinal juice contains maltase, lactase, and sucrase. Peptidase continue nutrient breakdown. Bile from liver emulsifies fat, increasing surface area for lipase action and aiding for reabsorption. After leaving the stomach, the food enters small intestine where millions of villi dramatically increasing the surface area for fission absorption. In small intestine, pancreatic enzyme and bile break down macronutrients, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Brush border enzymes further digest nutrients which absorbed by microvilli intestinal cells. Absorbed nutrients travel via the bloodstream. The liver regulates the distribution to the body. Digested food enters the colon where trillions of gut bacteria begins fermentation. Bacteria ferments fibers into short chain fatty acids. Water and salts are reabsorbed into the body. CAFS and few colon cells remaining waste is compacted into feces. Reflex and humoral mechanism. Reflex mechanism involves nerve like vagus stimulating enzyme secretion in pancreas and mucus. Interstitial secreted secretin CCK in liver bile synthesis ejects. Together they facilitate nutrient breakdown and absorption.